What's up, mga trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Rosel's activity, Rosel's peer band posted on Instagram greeted her one and only sister a happy birthday. On Instagram post, she posted their cute photos and a short video clip, their happy moments being together. Rosel's peer band captioned it's Picat's day today, and well, every day really, because she's the best. She's also the best blessing I've ever been given in life. Your little sis loves you. Happy birthday, Car Car. Many of their friends also commented to the post and greeted her a happy birthday. Yesterday, on the Dex activity, Nadek Ugimiya was went in mini theater together with mommy and friends. On Instagram post, Mommy Makeout posted on Instagram their happy photos and enjoying the beautiful show. As you can see, all of them are look so happy. It makes feel it better aside from vacation.